Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Oppo F15 versus the Samsung Galaxy A31, and A31 comes with a MediaTek Helio P65 chipset with 6 GB of RAM, while the Oppo F15 comes with a MediaTek Helio P70 chipset with 8 GB of RAM, and both phones comes with the quad cameras on the back. As guys you can see, we have a normal, ultra wide and a depth sensor as well as a macro lens on both these two devices. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. So without wasting time, let's get right into it. Let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And logo came up first, little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A31, followed by the Oppo F15. And Samsung Galaxy A31, it is running on Android 10 versus Android 9 Pie. Yes, Android 9 Pie on the Oppo F15, and you can see, but still Oppo F15 it is faster when it comes to booting up, while the Samsung Galaxy A31 it is take a lot of time. And now the A31 it is also done, about 4 or 5 second difference there between these two devices. I guess you can see that both phones comes with a very similar display, but we have a full HD Super AMOLED display on the Samsung Galaxy A31 compared to a full HD AMOLED display on the Oppo F15, and the display quality it is little bit better on the Samsung Galaxy A31. So now let's see the app's opening speed, and guess everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background. And also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. We have phone dialer that is just a tiny bit faster on the Oppo F15, followed by the A31 settings, and what that was exactly the same on both phones. Mic lock exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. Amazon shopping and same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and you can see Samsung Galaxy A31 it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the Oppo F15. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see feels very smooth on both phones. The Snapchat exactly the same on both phones. Spotify, and again exactly the same on both phones. Instagram little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A31. Now let's see some games application. We have the Candy Crush Saga and MediaTek Helio P70 versus a MediaTek Helio P65, and you can see Oppo F15 it is just a tiny bit faster there. The Subway Surfer on both phones, and you can see Oppo F15 it is again just a tiny bit faster there, and you can see about 1 or 2 second difference there. The Temper Run 2, and again Oppo F15 it is faster there, and you can see huge faster there, while the Samsung Galaxy A31 it is also right behind there, and you can see Oppo F15 it is done, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A31 is Edge, and faster on the Samsung Galaxy A31 again Twitter, and you can see exactly the same on both phones. Again you guys are the judge of the speed test. And last time I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, and faster on the Oppo F15, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A31. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Samsung internet browser on the A31 versus a Google Chrome on the Oppo F15 and wikipedia.org, and you can see exactly the same on both phones. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see feels very smooth on both phones. Next on the list is the wwe.com, and you can see that Oppo F15 it is seems like faster there, but at the end I have to say let's see, and you can see Samsung Galaxy A31 it is faster there, while the Oppo F15 it is take a lot of time, and now it is also done, about 2 or 3 second difference there. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see I feel a little bit lag on the Oppo F15, while the Samsung Galaxy A31 it is performed really smooth, but after some time Oppo F15 it is not performed good. So now let's see the RAM management on both phones, and we have 6 versus 8 GB of RAM on the Oppo F15. Phone dialer refresh on the A31. Let's see settings, refresh. Mic lock, Amazon shopping, that is refresh on the Oppo F15. Let's see Snapchat, that is refresh. Spotify, refresh. Instagram, refresh on both phones. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga. Subway Surfer, Let's see the temper and to. Let's see Zedge. Let's see the Twitter. That is not refresh. And last way back to the internet browser, that is also refresh on the Oppo F15. Same thing on the Samsung Galaxy A31. And guys, overall I have to say that the app's opening speed it definitely a little bit faster on the Oppo F15 thanks to a better chipset that we get on the Samsung Galaxy A31. And RAM management it is pretty little bit better on the Samsung Galaxy A31, but both phones need some good optimization in the RAM management. I hope it will fix with some software updates. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A31 versus the Oppo F15. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.